here, the world is loud enough to call itself alive. First real blue hits like a bruise to the eyes, after ink black miles and the pressure's lullabies. Sunlight scatters into glitter on the skin of the sea. A million cheap imitations of the lights that followed me. Air tastes thin, like it's all edge and no depth, like breathing is performance instead of theft. Waves clap their hands at nothing, gulls carve laughter out of sky. And I try to remember why I used to call this high. The surface is a party no one asked me to attend, and every sound is shining, but it doesn't mean disguise in plain view. They call it calm, they call it home, they call it the world I miss. But under every beautiful frequency, I hear what the deep is. I watch the horizon draw its clean, familiar line, like it never held a threshold I had to cross to find the engine's cool. Keeps counting the weight that isn't there. People speak in quick little signals, names, jokes, plans, like nothing beneath them ever understands. Their words skim the surface, and I can't explain the drift down below. Silence had gravity. Up here, everything slips. I wanna tell them there are cathedrals in the dark. That light is not a virtue, it's just a spark. Just a spark, just a spark. Surface noise. White caps talking over truth. Bright static. Sunlit shimmer, a disguise in plain view. They call it calm, they call it home, they call it the world I miss. But under every beautiful frequency, I hear what the deep is. And maybe this is mercy, not the sun, not the sky, but the chance to carry something no one else can verify. A low note under daylight, a pressure in the mind, a second ocean in my blood that never stayed behind. So let the surface keep its glitter, let it laugh, let it pretend. I've seen the place beneath the story where the story has to end. The deep didn't take me, it returned me different. And I know what quiet is. sky.